If you are trying to download Windows 11 in your PC, this video is for you. So first thing first, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, simply type in download Windows 11. You will see download Windows 11 by Microsoft itself, so make sure that you click this first search result. And before you download Windows 11, it is recommended that you check the requirements or specifications. It says before you begin using Installation Assistant, you need to first check if your PC meets this Windows 11 device specifications. So open that link and simply learn more about what needs to be done before installing Windows 11. If you already know if your device is compatible or not, you may go ahead, click on download now. As soon as you do that, you will see this installation has been completed, so double click onto it. And now simply launch it. In my case, my device is already running the latest version of Windows 11, so I'm not being able to use this, but in your case, it might simply show update or install. You may go ahead, click onto it, and if your device meets the criteria, you will be loaded onto Windows 11 just like that. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.